To create a Claude.md file, launch your Claude code and then type /init. Press enter. Claude will explore your project directory and draft a customized Claude.md file containing your tech stack, build scripts, and file structures. It's pretty easy and simple, right? But I don't show this simple thing. Today, I will tell you how to create a Claude.md file as a professional software engineer, what to include here, what to exclude, best practices, and my secret tips to write a professional Claude.md file so that your Claude code agents doesn't hallucinate, write code modular like a real software engineer, debug like a pro, and follow coding best practices, etc. Okay, so let's get started. Before we deep dive in, let me discuss why should you use Claude.md. Every time you open Claude Code, you have to explain your project again and again. You tell it, I'm using Next.js. Use TypeScript. Follow my coding style. Don't modify this folder. Write clean and documented code. And then, in the next session, you have to repeat everything all over again. This is pretty boring, right? Well, there is a much better solution. You can create a Claude.md file to give permanent instructions to Claude. Once you create this file, Claude automatically reads it and understands how you want it to work inside your project. Claude.md is a markdown file that contains instructions, rules, and context about your project. Whenever Claude Code opens your project, it reads this file and uses those instructions while generating code. You can think of Claude.md as a README file, but specifically written for AI. Instead of explaining your project manually every time, you write the instructions once inside Claude.md. This saves a huge amount of time and especially useful for large code bases. Hope you understand this. Now let's create a Claude.md file for now. If you already use the Claude Code CLI tool, you can let the AI scan your environment and generate the file for you. Open your terminal and launch your Claude Code session. Type /init and press enter. Claude will explore your repository and draft a customized Claude.md file containing your tech stack, build scripts, and file structures. Review the file and edit or remove any unnecessary lines to keep the context clean. This is pretty simple. You have created a Claude.md, but here's the catch. Claude can make mistakes. That's why your job is to read every lines, remove unnecessary parts, and add more rules so that it behaves properly. And for this, I will guide you here. You can clear this existing file and start writing your own codebase's structure, commands, and coding rules. According to the Claude Code docs, a perfect file focuses strictly on the what, why, and how of your project, while remaining concise, ideally under 300 to 800 words. You will include project overview, a one-line summary of what the app does, build and test commands, specific bash scripts to run, test, or lint, code style rules, strict preferences, like never use any in TypeScript, and environment quirks, required variables, or specialized package managers, like Bun. And what you will exclude from the file: self-evident code, anything Claude can easily figure out by reading the code, long explanations, deep historical context, or lengthy tutorials, standard conventions, basic language behaviors that Claude already natively knows, detailed API docs. Instead of writing them out, just link to the local files. For most projects, I recommend something like this template. It will exactly explain Claude Code what to do, why, and how to do. At first, we have project overview. You will describe about your project here. Then tech stack. Here you will give overview about the framework, language, database, and styling guidelines. Thirdly, folder structure. You will define your folder structure, architectures, patterns. Then you will have coding standards, preferred libraries, things to avoid, and response instructions. This template works for almost any project. Now, let me show you a real project's Claude.md file. Look, here I have followed the above template and describes Claude AI what to do when working with code in this repository. And now, if you prompt, it turns Claude from a generic AI assistant into an AI agent that actually understands your project and get things done for you. It will save you time, reduce errors, and make your AI coding workflow much more productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.